X-radiography. One of the most important uses of X-rays is in X-radiography, and especially in medicine. To make a radiograph or X-ray photograph, X-rays from X-ray tube are directed at the patient. A light-proof cassette containing a photographic film or a flat panel detector is placed on the other side of the patient. X-rays pass through soft tissue, but they are absorbed by bones, teeth, and metal objects that are not too thin. The image is recorded as darker and lighter tones according to the intensity of the X-rays, which means that the parts of the film or the detector that the X-rays reach become darker than the other parts. So the bones appear lighter than the surrounding tissue, as you can see in these examples. The radiograph shows a negative image of the bones, and as you can see in this picture of the teeth, a hole or a cavity in a tooth shows up as a dark area in the bright image of the tooth. In addition, if an organ that consists of a soft tissue needs to be examined, it can be filled with a substance called a contrast medium that absorbs X-rays easily, which enables the internal surfaces in the organ to be seen on the radiograph.